Hey my people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can stay up to date on more hot sets we got coming at you. So today we are going to be doing some unboxing from our fall charm box that we got from Daily Charme. I love their boxes. They have such cute stuff, so let's get into it. Here we have the card. If you want to read it, you can go ahead and pause it so you can read it. And we are chock full of fall stuff. So I'm not going to go in and describe each thing. I'll let you guys just watch and see what we have. And then we'll come back for a set at the end. Okay, just jumping back in here because this might be something a lot of people aren't familiar with called flocking powder, and it makes your nails fuzzy. So like you can do a bear texture or like a monster, fuzzy monster texture. So I just want to let you guys know that. When I first opened these nails, I'm like, what is this for? This is weird. They must have put this in here on accident. And then I got a finger. That is so cool to get into in a box, is a finger. And the well is actually pretty deep in here. And I'm just putting in the little tip, but it actually goes down like a normal finger and it's posable. You can bend it. So how nice is that? So here we go with all our stuff we got. A nice amount of fall Halloween stuff. So I love it. Now, let's get into our set. We got some, I have some glitter underneath here. I just could not get off my nail. And I was just like, you know what? There you go. You gonna stay on there. We just gonna cover you on up. So that's what we did. So we already did our prep work. We already did our base gel and all that good stuff. And now we're just gonna put on our gel polish, and we are going to do some in the orange color from Daily Charme and some in that green. And I know I'm going to have to order some more of these colors because this is fall, so I'm going to use these a lot. And for this one, we are going to do some blocking. So, no need for a full coat on this bad boy. I'm going to use my striper brush to just draw out the little section I want to block. And then we are going to toss some of that Joie glitter that we got on top of it. So I'm not gonna cure this. I am going to sprinkle glitter on top of it. And make an absolute mess on my desk. I need those bigger cupcake tins. And if you guys, I know some people have like actual containers or whatever they use. Look, you can get you a cupcake tin. You can get a whole pack of them. I think it's like you can get 100 or something a pack. Listen, we are balling on a budget up in this nail life, okay? So we got that on there. We got it all baked up. So now I'm going to block out the next section. And I have no idea what happened here. I totally lost some footage. Oh, I'd be so annoyed when it happens because I am just starting on editing and I'm trying to learn and stuff, and I just keep on losing footage, y'all. So please forgive me. But I just blocked it out and I did more glitter on top of it. So that's what we did with that one. And now we are going to outline a French on here with the green. And there's a million different ways people do their Frenches. I always just kind of do a V and then do an arch in the middle. Not always, you know, sometimes I'll try different ways, but because my V is never completely in the middle, so you gotta just make it work. And now we are going to do more sprinkles and more mess. And I like to press it in so you don't have any lumps and bumps when you're doing it. If you were doing like acrylic and encapsulating it, you know, I would still press it in, but it would be less chances of bumps. But so we pressed that all in and shaped it up to where it was back in the French. And I went ahead and cured it. And now we are going to put our hard gel on it to encapsulate it. And I don't want to do it too thick. That's why I chose the hard gel. I always encapsulate in hard gel just because it's clear. It's clearer than anything else that I've used, like polygel or acrylic. It is the clearest. So when I use the hard gel, I always put on a slip layer first, which is when you just coat the whole nail in the hard gel. And then when you apply it, you want to just stay on top of the hard gel and kind of go side to side. You can do little circles, but you just want to make sure you're not pressing down in it. You're gliding over the top so you don't make air bubbles. So we got that cured. Now we are going to decorate this little stripe. I'm putting down a base coat, and we're going to toss some of these stars from another glitter set we got in this box. And see here, I'm trying to bend them. I used to have a little thing that would bend them for me that I could put it in. Put the little star in and you could press it down and it would bend it. I need to get another one of those. But we're going to stick on those stars, and then we have some smaller stars we are going to stick in there. Coming out cute. And these little mouse stickers, y'all. So I'm trying to decide, which is really difficult, with how many cute things they have on here. But of course, we had to go with the pirate. Oh no, I missed Talk Like a Pirate Day this year. Oh my gosh, I miss that every year, I think. But yeah, that is super cute. Making sure we got that bad boy pressed up in there. We don't want to see the edges of the sticker. Let's see what we're doing next. We'll do a little pumpkin or whatever. I don't know what that is. Candy corns. Yes, I hate candy corns, y'all. Does anybody else hate candy corns? I don't know what they taste like. I really don't understand what they are. I just don't like them. My sister loves them, so when we trick-or-treated, I would just give her my candy corns. Oh, I don't think they should be part of Halloween. I'm sorry, but I hate them. But the one candy I do love that everybody hates is those little peanut butters. I think they're called Mary Jane's. Like they're in a little black wrap paper. Oh, I love those bad boys. Oops, sorry. Smack the cam. Alright, so we're going to do a little line around here. I figured it needed something more than just these ultra cute stickers. And we're going to do a little line around the bottom. And I'll put on some more base coat so we can do some more stars. And if y'all see, I spilled the glitter. So yeah, that happened. And now we are going to use some glue, and we are going to put on some of these little sparkles here. And they are green orange, perfect. Alright, now we're going to move to our Frenchie nail, and we're going to use those other little stones. With that cross and get that all straightened out. Now I'm going to outline our Frenches. I was going to leave it, but I'm like, no. I want to make the French pop a little more, so I went ahead and outlined them with the green. I'm hoping I don't cross that too much threshold, but you know, we live in the too much, baby. That's where we are most comfortable at up in here. And we are also going to box in the color block nail. Don't y'all think that look better with the color block, with the green outline? Let me know in the comments if y'all think that this was overdoing it or if this actually helped. I think it was cute. I think it made it pop. And again, lost footage. I swear it's like the underpants gnomes. Like somebody's eating my footage, y'all. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we did the same as we did on the other nails with the sprinkles. I did a green base and then I sprinkled on the glitter because I wanted to make this a little monster. Because we had to use those googly eyes. So we glued on our eyeballs, making our monster mouth. He an angry monster. Ooh, he mad. Making some little fangs. There we go. And that's it. So let's see how it turned out. How cute are those? Extra all the way, and I'm here for it all day. Y'all let me know what you thought. If you loved it, if you liked it, leave me a comment. Go ahead and share it with a friend. If you haven't, like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, kindness is key. Be who you be and dream big. Bye-bye. Bye.